Today, we're going to draw a super cute monster. First, start by drawing a simple curved line. This will be the head for our monster. Now, on the top of the head, draw two horns. Make them a little curved to give it a fun look. Next, complete the body shape and add two little legs at the bottom. Complete the body shape and add two little legs at the bottom. Keep them simple and cute. On each side of the body, draw two small hands. Now, draw two big round eyes on the face. The bigger the eyes, the cuter the monster. Time for the mouth. Draw a big wide mouth. Add a tongue inside and three sharp teeth. Drawing the eyeballs into the eyes. Right above the mouth, simply draw a nose. Add some extra elements to make it fun. Maybe some lines on the head or little patterns on the body. Adding some details. Making the eyeballs black. And that's it. Our cute monster is ready. Finally, color it however you want, according to your own taste to bring the monster to life. See you in the next video.